Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to learn the definition of triangle in geometry, their characteristics, their properties, and different types of triangles based on different measures. That means based on angles and based on sides. So be with us. In the very starting, we can see two figures. One is above, which is open, and another one is below, which is bounded. Among these two, the figure staying below is the triangle. Let us gonna discuss more. Triangle. In geometry, a triangle is a figure or a shape or a region bounded by three sides or arms. If you look at the figure, we can see that there is a region A, B, C which is bounded. That is why this is a triangle where its three sides are AB, AC and BC, and three angles are ABC, ACB and BAC. On the other hand, we have another figure W, X, Y, Z. Though it has three arms like triangle ABC, but as it is open and doesn't occupy a certain bounded region, that is why WXYZ is not a triangle. Let's move into the properties of a triangle. In general, a triangle has six properties: three sides and three angles. Number two, a triangle must have a bounded region. Number three, the sum of any two sides of the triangle is always greater than the third side. Number four, sum of all three angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Number four, there are exactly three medians with only one centroid in a triangle. Number six, in an isosceles triangle, opposite angles of equal sides are equal, so the converse is true as well. Types of triangles based on sides. There are Equilateral TriAngle, Isosceles TriAngle, and Scalene TriAngle. Move forward to learn more. Equilateral triangle. When all three sides of a triangle are equal to each other, then it is known as an equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle, all the three sides are equal, that is, AB is equals to BC is equals to AC in triangle ABC. Also, all the vertices angles are also equal to each other. That is, angle ABC is equals to angle ACB is equals to angle BSC is equals to 60 degrees. Isosceles triangle. When two of three sides of a triangle are equal to each other, then it is known as an isosceles triangle. In the figure, ABC is an isosceles triangle where the two sides AB is equals to AC. It should be mentioned that in an isosceles triangle, the angles opposite to equal sides are equal. That means angle ABC is opposite to AC and angle ACB is opposite to side AB. Therefore, angle ABC is equal to angle ACB. Here, the minimum integer value of equal angles is 1 degree and the maximum integer value of the equal angles is 89 degrees. Similarly, on the other hand, the minimum integer value of unequal angle is 1 degree and the maximum integer value of the unequal angle is 179 degrees. In an isosceles triangle, the unequal side is known as the base. Here in the figure as AB is equals to AC, therefore the remaining side BC is the unequal side and BC is the base of the triangle ABC. And the angles adjacent to the base are known as the base angles. Here, two adjacent angles of base BC are angle ABC and angle ACB. That is why the two angles ABC and ACB are known as the base angles of this isosceles triangle ABC. On the other hand, the two equal sides of an isosceles triangle are known as the legs of the isosceles triangle. Here in triangle ABC, as AB and AC sides are equal, therefore AB and AC sides are the two legs of this isosceles triangle ABC. And the angle included by the two legs in an isosceles triangle is known as the vertex angle. Here, the angle included by the legs AB and AC is BAC. Therefore, BAC is the vertex angle in the isosceles triangle ABC. Scalene triangle. When all the three sides of a triangle are unequal to each other, then it is known as a scalene triangle. Here in the figure below, we can see a triangle ABC, where all the three sides of this triangle AB, AC, and BC are mutually unequal to each other. That is why triangle ABC here is a scalene triangle. This time, we're going to learn the types of triangles based on angles. And they are acute angled triangle, right angled triangle, and obtuse angled triangle. Let us discuss in details in the followings. Acute angled triangle. If all the three angles of a triangle are less than 90 degrees, that means if all the three angles in a triangle are acute angle, then the triangle is known as an acute angled triangle. Here in the figure, we can see a triangle X, Y, Z. And in XYZ triangle, all the three angles X, Y, and Z are less than 90 degrees. That means all of them are individually acute angles. In an acute angled triangle, the minimum integer value of the acute angle is 1 degree, and the maximum integer value of the acute angle is 89 degrees. Right angled triangle. If the value of one angle out of three angles in a triangle is exactly 90 degrees, that means exactly a right angle, then the triangle is known as a right angled triangle. Here in triangle ABC, we can see that the value of angle ABC, that means angle B, is equals to 90 degrees. That means a right angle. That is why triangle ABC will be a right angle triangle. In a right angle triangle, the other two angles must be acute angles. That means in this triangle ABC, the remaining two angles, angle A and angle C, are both less than 90 degrees. That means both of them are acute angles. The minimum integer value of the acute angle in a right angle triangle is 1 degree, and the maximum integer value of the acute angle in a right angle triangle is 89 degrees. Another thing should be mentioned here, that in a right angle triangle, the side opposite to the right angle is known as the hypotenuse. Here in triangle ABC, as B is the right angle and the side opposite to B is AC, therefore AC is the hypotenuse of this right angled triangle ABC. Obtuse Angled Triangle. If value of one angle out of three angles in a triangle is greater than 90 degree and the remaining two angles are less than 90 degree, that means acute angle, then the triangle is known as an obtuse angled triangle. Here in triangle ABC, angle ACB is an obtuse angle. Therefore, triangle ABC can be called an obtuse angled triangle. And the remaining two angles, angle A and angle B, are acute angle here. In an obtuse angle triangle, the minimum integer value of the obtuse angle is 91 degree, and the maximum integer value of the obtuse angle is 179 degree. On the other hand, the minimum integer value of the acute angle in an acute angle triangle is 1 degree, and the maximum integer value of the acute angle in an obtuse angle triangle is 88 degree. A very crucial part of any triangle is median. In geometry, a median of a triangle is a line segment joining a vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side by bisecting that side. Here we have a triangle ABC. Here we can see three medians, AD, BE, and CF. Here AD bisects BC. That means BD is equals to CD and D is the midpoint of BC. Similarly, F bisects AB, where F is the midpoint of AB. Therefore, BF is equals to AF. And BE bisects AC. That means E is the midpoint of AC. Therefore, AE is equals to CE. Every triangle has exactly three medians, one from each vertex. Another important thing in a triangle is centroid. Centroid is the meeting point of all the three medians of a triangle inside that very triangle. The centroid is also known as the center of gravity. Here, if you look at the figure, here the three medians AD, BE, and CF meet each other at point M that is colored in golden. Here M is the centroid of the triangle ABC, or M can be called as the center of gravity of the triangle ABC from the figure. Thank you for being with us. This is the end today, and please suggest your comment in the comment box for our betterment to build a happy Bangladesh. Allah